Step 1. Check for a wireless network adapter. Click the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand the Network Adapters section. Look for any adapter with names like wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN. If you see one, your PC supports Wi-Fi. If not, you'll need to purchase and install a wireless network adapter. Step 2. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings on your PC, then Network and Internet, then go to Status. On the right, click Network and Sharing Center to view available networks. Step 3. Set up a new connection. In the Network and Sharing Center, click Set up a new connection or network. If you're connecting to a new network, choose the appropriate option. Step 4. Choose and connect to a network. Select Set up a new network, then follow the prompts. Make sure your wireless router is turned on and nearby. Complete the setup and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.